display. Xiaomi has equipped the Redmi Note 5A with a regular 16:9 display, with a 5.5 inches diagonal and 720p resolution. While the HD resolution is a bit of a stretch at that size, there is no visible pixelization and the image is reasonably sharp at 267p. Xiaomi promises a 1000:1 contrast and a maximum brightness of 450 nits. In our tests it did even better, reaching a maximum brightness north of 530 nits and an excellent contrast at 1670:1. The blacks are quite good too. The sunlight legibility is fairly average, but it's reasonable to expect such a score in the price bracket. If you don't mind some washed out colors and loss of contrast, the screen should remain readable when you're out and about on a bright sunny day. The colors themselves are not that accurate by default, with an average delta of 6.9 and a maximum of 14 at point white. The whites and grays have a bluish tint, while most of the other hues we tested were more vibrant than usual. If you want slightly more accurate colors, you could set the color mode to standard or warm in the settings. Battery life. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 5A is powered by a 3,8 mAh battery, far from impressive compared to the 4,000 mAh units that used to power the 4th generation Redmi Notes. The Snapdragon 435 is not the most energy-efficient chipset around either, built on the old 28nm process. The Redmi Note 5A scored an adequate endurance rating still of 74 hours. Not too bad for a chipset that's not exactly latest issue. It did well in the screen-on and call tests, while the standby consumption turned out about average. The number is far from the 100+ hours of other Redmi Notes, but by no means an embarrassment in this price bracket.